Welcome to Tuesday the 30th of August. I'm not really doing too much today, just lots of chores. Currently have all of that to fold. That is like 3 weeks worth of washing, I think, or at least 2 weeks. I think it's pushing 3 weeks worth of washing that I've washed and now I need to fold. I keep putting it off, and because last weekend we were away, I washed and then just left it in my robe, and then obviously this weekend just passed. I've washed it all, but yeah, not folded it yet. So doing this, and then I think I might head outside and mow the lawns. They're well overdue. I think it's been like 6 weeks since I've done them. So they're very overgrown and needing to be done. But obviously, yeah, I've been sick and stuff, so I haven't been able to do them. But it's a nice day out there today. It's not too hot. It's got like a little bit of a breeze. So yeah, I might set you up for some time lapses of what I'm doing, but it's just a house chore day. So if you're doing some house chores whilst watching this, let me know down in the comments. What are you doing? Does this motivate you? Let me know. Anyways, I will chat to you guys later. Bye guys.
I don't want to do my makeup today. I don't want to do my makeup today. I don't want to do my makeup today. Oh, I don't want to do my makeup today. I don't want to do my makeup today. I do not want to do my makeup today. I don't want to do my makeup today. And I don't. Oh, maybe I do.
Hey guys, welcome to Wednesday 31st of August. I'm just heading home right now. I spent the day with my friend today. We went to the shops and we had like morning tea. Then we did a bit of shopping, we had some lunch, and then we also got our nails done. So I just wear like this cute like pink, hot pink glittery one. It almost looks red, but it's hot pink. We did a little bit more looking around, and then I just helped my friend with her internet. Her internet's been having issues, and we thought it was the company because they've not been helpful at all. And also I found out she was getting like charged an extreme amount, so we swapped her over to a different brand, but it's still having issues. So I think there's something wrong with the actual line, not the actual modem or the internet supplier.
I don't know who needs to hear this, but they're mean to you because you're pretty.
No, I'm pretty sure it's because I'm a bitch.
Hey guys, welcome to Thursday the 1st of September. Welcome to September. I've just finished filming. I've taken my red liquid lip off. I had the Luna Beauty red liquid lip on, which is why now I look like as though I have foundation lips. So just pounced my sponge on my lips to make it so it didn't look like a big clown. I've just finished filming. I thought I'd do a quick check-in. Really haven't done much today. Cleaned the house, then the cleaners came and did their bits, so now the house is spotless. What else have I done? I did the grocery shopping this morning after Cairo. The Cairo was like telling me off because of gardening the other day. I did like way too much, so like I've hurt myself quite a lot. And he's like, you need to like find an in between. You can't either do nothing or do it all. You gotta find that medium that like your body's happy with, like a little bit each day. every muscle is aching right now, and like I didn't even know I had some of these muscles. Like they hurt so badly, especially because the weeds were so bad. I spent probably 2.5 hours just weeding, so I'm exhausted, I'm sore. I've been having to have meds to help me sleep last night and the night before, but last night I only had about 3 hours sleep anyway. So yeah, the chiro was like struggling with my back today. I'm very tight and like tense at the moment because of the pain. So yeah, I've got to let my body rest a little bit this weekend, hopefully. But yeah, I thought I'd do a quick check-in, just filmed some TikToks, just filmed 2 short videos. I thought I would do a YouTube video on the swimwear as well, just because I feel like as I want to share it with you guys because it's so good, and I was only needing to post something on TikTok, but you know, I love it so much, so I'm sharing it with everyone on all my platforms. And then I filmed another cute little thing which will probably go live next week. It's literally like a 5-minute video, if that. Tomorrow is going to be a hard day for me, so you probably won't hear from me. It is the 14-year anniversary since my mum passed away, and as you all know, my mom's birthday and the day she passed is the only 2 days I really let myself get super emotional about it, because otherwise I spend all my time feeling miserable, and I know she wouldn't want that for me. So I do the best to be happy and live a happy life for the rest of those days. But 2 days out of the year, I let myself just completely have a meltdown. But I am going tomorrow with my grandma and my auntie, which is my mom's biological sister, to the cemetery, and then we're gonna go for lunch as well, probably in Kings Park or somewhere close by.
Cross my heart and hope to die. Welcome to my dark side. Do you ever get a little bit tired of life? Like you're not really sad, but you still wanna die. Like you're hanging by a thread, but you gotta survive, 'cause you gotta survive.
Hey guys, welcome to Sunday. It is the 4th of September today. It is Father's Day here in Australia. We just went and grabbed ourselves a coffee. We've had a chilled out morning, and now we're going to take the poochies to the doggy park so they can have some playtime and get some energy out. Otherwise, had sort of a relaxing day today. We've got leftover roast for dinner, and then I am cooking some more donuts. So the dough is currently in the works right now, so I'll show you how that looks when I'm done. But yeah, that's pretty much all that's going on today. Oh, I've got hiccups. But I thought I would do a quick check-in. I'll add in some footage of the dogs playing at the park because I know you love that. So yeah, I'll chat to you guys later. Bye guys. Oliver! Oliver! Hey guys, so just jumping on quickly to end out this week's vlog. I'm just sitting here editing at the moment, so I thought I would just do the outro. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching guys. Bye!